Welcome back to the channel. Looking to make money online? Have you considered YouTube? And no, I'm not talking about becoming a vlogger. You don't have to show your face at all to make money using YouTube, and it's free to do. In today's episode, we're gonna show you step by step how to make this happen. But before we jump in, if you like our content, please take a second to like this video and smash that subscribe button. Also, hit the little bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss another upload from us. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's learn how to make money online on YouTube. First off, yes, we will be using YouTube to get that money. Most people think the only way to earn off YouTube is through monetization. But as you may know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to qualify for that, neither of which happens quickly or easily. And we aren't ready to wait that long, eh? We need to make money now. So you don't have to worry about that. Our plan does not require monetization at all, but it's something we can work towards while we make money this way. Great news, right? That way, when you finally do get that monetization, you'll be earning double, not just from the video ads, but also simultaneously from the website we're gonna show you today. Okay, first off, let's talk about the kind of videos you're gonna wanna create. You wanna create workout videos, like this channel called Workout Music. There's a few reasons for this specific type of video. Firstly, and maybe the most importantly, they're popular. They attract people to watch, and as we know, views equals money. So if we look through these videos, they have a lot of views. The most popular one has 14 million, but that's not the only one to pass the 1 million milestone. So it's obvious that there's a huge audience for this type of video. Now, the second reason we choose this specific type, they're easy to make. Like, very easy to make. They're basically just an image laid over some audio, and boom, you got a multi-million hit. Like, look at this video we showed before. 14 million views, it's literally just a single image over the entire video. And the picture doesn't even need to be you. You can find tons of these high quality images on the net. But I'm gonna give you a tip on high quality and royalty-free images, as well as audio to put along with it. That being said, some of the more recent videos on workout music do have workout videos at the beginning, but as we can see, it's just a few minutes of the video and then it still turns back into a static image. These video clips aren't necessary, but if you do want to include them, I'll give you some tips on finding those ones as well. So it's all good to see a channel with lots of views and think, wow, they must be successful. But if we head over to socialblade.com, we can actually tell for sure. So searching workout music channel, we can see they're doing very well. This says their channel is earning between $1,000 and $17,000 every month. That's a big range, but still a lot of money, even at the low end. Now, if we come back to YouTube, we can see all the videos on this channel are very long. And this is on purpose, because the longer your video is, the more ads you're able to fit in it. Because of this, I'd say that this channel is easily averaging $10,000 per month. This channel really proves that you can earn huge off YouTube with not much effort. Also, note that this channel only has 63 videos, which isn't really that many compared to most others, especially ones that are monetized. But despite the lack of video quantity, they are still earning huge off the channel. And since it's so easy, it's basically passive income. Upload a few videos per month and that could be enough to live off of and actually thrive off of. Now that you understand how the money's gonna be earned, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of actually making the videos. So we gotta start first with the images and the clips. I have two site suggestions for this. The first one is pixabay.com and the second is pexels.com. So these sites are virtually identical in that they both offer royalty-free images and videos, meaning you can use them for anything without worrying about copyright infringement. Therefore, we can use them in our YouTube videos. They are super easy to use as well. Just search keywords like workout, gym, yoga, lifting, anything like that. And as you can see, there are literally thousands and thousands and thousands of super high quality and beautiful pictures and videos that you can use for free. So right off the bat, I found this image that's perfect for motivational workout videos. So I'm gonna click on free download in the top right and just save it to my device. You can even choose the quality level of the photo by clicking on the arrow next to the download button. Now, this procedure is virtually identical on both sites, Pexels and Pixabay, so they're a great place to start. Now, we talked about videos as well, and you can get clips on here too. If you look at the top left, you can see there's an option to search for videos in this category as well, and there's over 7,000 of them just for this keyword search. And again, to download a video, you follow the exact same steps as for images. However, as we saw on the Workout Music channel, 14 million views. Their most popular upload only had an image. Because of that, I really don't think it's necessary to download the videos too, but I leave that to your discretion. It can add something to the video if you want, but it also will take significantly more time to edit all together. Alright, so we're halfway done. We got the images, now we just need the music. And to do that, surprisingly enough, you can do it on YouTube itself. To access the YouTube audio library, just go to YouTube and click on your account photo and then select YouTube Studio. Once you're in the studio, scroll down and on the left side, you'll see Audio Library. Click that. Now here you can find tens of thousands of songs, most of which can be used on YouTube for free. That means you can actually earn money from ads even with YouTube's own music content. You'll see near the top, there's a search field. You can use this to narrow down the results based on your type of content. Because this is for workout, I'll sort by genre and mood, and then select inspirational to get songs that should fit our content perfectly. But of course, we're in no rush, so take some time, explore a bunch of different music until you find ones that work really well with your content, because that's really gonna be what hooks the viewers. The image will get them to click, the music gets them to stay. So once you've found a song you like, hover your mouse over it and a download button will appear on the right-hand side. Now it's important to remember we're making longer videos here because we want to put lots of ads in them. So you want to find between 7 and 10 songs in total to make us a 30 to 40 minute video. See, how easy is this? We already have the images, clips, and music for our YouTube content. Now, all we gotta do is put it all together with some editing software. Editing software? That's expensive! Don't worry, I got a suggestion for this as well. This isn't hardcore editing, so you don't need Final Cut Pro or After Effects or anything crazy like that. I found a really good and free program called OpenShot. Just head over to their website, openshot.org, and you can download it from there. Now, unfortunately, I didn't discover this till I had already invested in purchasing Sony Vegas. I wish I had watched a similar video like this before I did, but I'll be doing it on Sony Vegas, but the mechanics on most editing programs are very similar and simple for this type of content. All you gotta do is drag in the music you downloaded from YouTube and then add the photos or video clips, or both, to the timeline. Now, you're gonna see how easy this really is. All we need to do is make the video length match the audio length. Just drag the endpoint of the image so that it stretches all the way to the end of the last song. And that's it. Done. And this is identical to the process you'll use in OpenShot as well. And the whole editing took, what, 20, 30 seconds? No skills required and only minimal effort. I wasn't joking when I said that this was easy. But we aren't done yet. I did mention another site that we can use to maximize profits and earn money while we wait for that sweet, sweet monetization. The site is called Kitco, and it allows you to create shoppable collections of your favorite products grouped into kits so your followers can buy the tools you can't live without. Basically, you group a whole bunch of products together, which is very handy if you're creating videos with different products associated with them. In our case, we're creating workout videos, so there's lots of different products that we can use for that. We can use Kitco to put a link in the description of the videos where we promote gym products, home workout devices, supplements, anything. You can add up to 15 different products in a single link, allowing you to earn far more money. So this is a site that you do need an account for first, so we gotta sign up first and foremost. You can click the sign up button in the top right corner. Then after you've done that, just click the plus icon and you can add a bunch of products, in our case, gym equipment, and then hit View Kit and they will generate a link for you to add to the description of the video for all your viewers to check out. And just think, say you're promoting a product that is $50 and you have 14 million views. Even if only 10 people buy it, you still earn $500 without doing anything. And then, once you get monetized, you can still use these links to earn money, but you'll also be earning ad revenue from ads as well. All without you having to do more than a few minutes of work per week or per month. And that's it, guys. Easy peasy, right? As always, if you enjoyed the content, please let me know by smashing that like button. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next money-making video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.